haven't done one of these in so long. I've been posting a lot this month on either channel. If you guys want to subscribe to my vlog channel, it's down below. You guys have lots of questions for me, so I sent out a tweet on my, I didn't send out a tweet, I sent it. I am, I actually smell like cake. I'm cake scented. I send out a story on my Instagram. You guys can, oh, okay. That's what you wanted. Oh, I sent out a story on my Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, so that's where I'm gonna base them on. So let's get started. We're starting out strong with this one. Okay, well, I have more than 3, so I can't do this. If you gave me 3 specific names, maybe. Will you be my prom? Yes. Where do you see yourself in 20 years? I would be 52. Okay, I'll be like my mom's age. All right, so I'm gonna be, if I'm my mom's age, I'm gonna be a bad bitch. I'm probably still gonna be doing OF. I'll be doing like granny stuff, you know. I won't be granny, but I'll be doing granny stuff. I don't even know. I'll be probably drinking White Claws, still wearing the same outfit, still bleaching my hair. My hair will still be falling out. I'll still be wearing fake lashes. I'm gonna be that granny that gets Botox so that my face is gonna be cute, but then all the rest of me is gonna be like wrinkly and like falling because I tan all the time. My teeth are all gonna shift back to normal. But yeah, that's gonna be me. I'm gonna be like in an inflatable pool with some rubber duckies, and then I'm gonna be drinking some White Claws. That's gonna be me in 20 years. When you're getting your surgery, I'm deciding whether to get my breast implants exchanged or another BBL, and I can't decide which one. But I was just informed by you guys that the border's open, so I'm hoping soon here, hopefully in the next few months when everything kind of goes back to normal. I'm waiting for it to go back to normal a little bit. The mask mandate goes away in a few weeks here where I live. I'm kind of just waiting for things to like settle down before I fully travel, you know? So that's basically what I'm waiting on. So nothing's booked and nothing's set yet. Nah, yes, I'm happy about it. I'm curious why you chose Moose Jaw to vacation to. It's close by, it's in my province, it has a beautiful spa, it is such a quaint little town, and it has a bunch of local things around it. They have really good cafes, yummy items, and it's not a far drive, so like if I broke down on the highway, let's say, my dad would come save me, and my dad wouldn't have to like go all the way to Edmonton, let's say, because I love going to Edmonton, I love Edmonton, or like California, but I just want to go somewhere like close by, that's only like a couple hours, rather than like a 6-hour drive or like a plane flight away, you know? And it's relaxing, and they have like mineral spa. It's one of the best destinations in Saskatchewan to travel because it is like just like a relaxing just getaway, and it was a beautiful weekend and I just wanted to drive, you know? So that's why. You used to be vegan. What happened? I was vegan for a little bit. I honestly believe that I was doing it because like everyone else was doing it, you know? Like honestly, back then like Freely the Banana Girl was really popular, and she I'm not trying to like, be mean, but like she almost like scared people into becoming vegan, which like a lot of people that are vegan that I see like on TikTok or like on Twitter or Instagram or YouTube even, they like share their lifestyles and how beautiful it is and how yummy it is and how like it's like fruitful, no pun intended, but like you can eat so much and like all these recipes and stuff. And I feel like back then, I don't know about Freely the Banana Girl now, but like back then, Freely the Banana Girl was like, you shouldn't have a dog. Like, not to me, but to like other creators. Like I remember, I think it was Gigi Gorgeous. She was like, you say you like your dog, you can't like dogs. You can't like dogs if you aren't vegan or something like that. And it was just like, kind of like scaring people into doing it. So I was like, oh my God, maybe I should just do it because like, I'm obviously like a terrible person if I'm not vegan. Was my mentality back then. So I was like, I'm going to do that. So I think I went about it in the wrong way. I was like not scared into doing it. I wasn't scared into doing it, but I was like, I must be like terrible, and I have a dog and I like my dog. So like, I don't know, I was just like kind of like letting social media like control me. And especially back then I was like big into really big into social media and wasn't really focusing on myself at all. And I think that's really what happened is I wasn't like fully into it. Like I still had like leather bags. I still had car with like leather in it. And I was like, I'm vegan. And I'm like girl, or I was like, I ate vegan during the week. And I was like, I'm vegan on the week. And then during the week, and then I eat whatever on the weekends. I'm like, girl, then you're not vegan. Like, you know what I mean? You just eat plant-based during the week. Like, so I think I just was not really informed by it. And it wasn't good for me to like say that I was vegan when I wasn't vegan. If I'm just like trying a new lifestyle or trying to eat more plant-based, like you're not all of a sudden vegan, you know? Best place to take Instagram photos in Saskatoon, nowhere. Just kidding. Like downtown's pretty. I like to find like blank like colorful walls because I feel like your outfit stands out. It's like contrast and there's not much going on in the background. But if you want something in the background, down by the river is beautiful. Anywhere like near Avenue B, the farmer's market near there. The university grounds are like my favorite place to go, like where the Boffins is. It's beautiful there. As a male Yes, they basically were like, honestly, I swear to God, they were like, want to go to Walmart. They're like, can I pick you up and like go to Walmart because I'm like in your area or like in your city, because they were somebody that travels from city to city, and they're like, I'm in your city, like I have to go to Walmart, pick up a few things, do you want to come with me? And I was like, no. My mom like lost it when I showed her. I was like, look at this. What did Austin do for a living? He's a mechanic. I've been to school for mechanics. He has his journeyman or something like that. I don't know. You have to ask him like the full stats on that. And he's going to be completing his school fully this year, and that's exciting for him. I'm excited for him. Why is there all these questions about Austin? About me, come on, more about me. Your solo trip really inspired me to do one of my own. What was your favorite part of your trip? That's so sweet. Thank you for saying that. Love you too, girl. I think it was just like getting the food that I ordered food. I don't know if you saw the vlog, but I vlogged it. And then coming back to my hotel and just like setting it up, taking my pants off and just like eating and chilling, just like being in my own company and not having like any responsibilities there, and just like not worrying about like putting my dishes away. I know it sounds so stupid. I'm gonna have to wait and see. Can you get your cooking channel back running? Yes. I wanted to focus on my channel this month and the vlog channel this month. I really just wanted to give it like my full attention, like back and forth. I felt like I was slacking on these channels, and I know like I'm now slacking on that channel, but I feel like these are my two babies and these are what I love, and I want to give them full attention. So next month I'm going to start posting on there more, so in July. What other plastic surgeries do you want? Well, I just discussed those two. I would love autoplasty. I've always said that, like where they pin back your ears. I've always said that. I think that's about it, honestly. I was thinking about getting a nose job. I don't know if I want it though. Like, I don't know. I like go back and forth. I'm like, I want a nose job today, and the other days I'm like, I don't. And then I was thinking of getting like jaw contour, because my jaw is like non-existent, but I don't know, it's always changing every single day for me. Have you ever been to an NHL game? Yes, I have. I've been to quite a few of them. I went to the one in California, Edmonton. I love NHL games, they're amazing. What was the best concert you ever attended? It's a tie between Justin Bieber and Nicki Minaj, but I would honestly say the Nicki Minaj concert. It was so good. What is your dream car? My dream car is a Mach 1. It's my dream car. Chef's kiss. What is your biggest accomplishment so far on YouTube? Honestly, I feel like it is showing people to just love themselves for who they are. Whatever you like, whatever you live, how you live and how you look and how you want to change your body and live your life and what you eat and just how you live, and that is just to be you and being happy doing that and loving yourself in whatever style you have. And also to see people being like, you bring a smile to my face, or I was so sad today, or I dealt with this today, and I came to your videos and they make me smile. I think that is just a biggest and big accomplishment for me, is to make people's day and to try to impact people's day in some way, because this world is full of negativity and we don't need that. Will you do another nail shape? I've pretty much had them all. I've had more rounded, I've had stiletto, I've had coffin nails, I've had just square nails. I've never had duck feet. I would love to try duck feet, which I know people would be like, eh. But I love how my nails are looking nowadays. I love like the long, sleek shape. You might not think these are sleek, but I do, and I just love them. So not for any time soon, no. Do you want to have more kids? Well, I don't have any kids, and I don't think I want kids. It always changes. Some days I'm like, yes, I want kids in the future, and other days I'm like, no, I don't. Right now I'm like, I don't really want kids. Will you get eyelash extensions again? Not anytime soon, no. I'm loving the strip lashes, and they were so annoying to take off, so no. Are you dating? Are you currently dating? No. Who are you rooting for to win the Stanley Cup? Story not sorry. Habs go, love ya. My team is out. Both my teams are out, so I'm sad, but I'm not a sore loser, and I'm not somebody that hates on other people for being how far they are in the Stanley Cup. But the teams that are left, I am not cheering for or anything. I'm not cheering against them. I'm not cheering for them. Just may the better team win. So I'm not cheering for any currently, but I'm excited to watch it. I still love hockey nonetheless. So may the better team win, and I just like the sport, and I do like Carey Price though, so I'm interested in to see him saving. Would you get your nipple pierced? I've actually been thinking of getting my nipples pierced. If you guys have had it done, let me know if you like them. I don't care about pain, because like pain is like literally 2 seconds long, but Like, were they annoying? Did they get hooked on your bra? Did they get infected easily? Like, let me know because I would love to. How did you train your cats to not leave the backyard when they roam around? I didn't. They literally just, I just like call their names and then they sometimes don't listen to me and then they run on the grass. I just run after them. But I do have leashes and a little thing that goes into the lawn now where I put their leashes and then them in a harness so that they can walk around the yard. But they still like try to jump over the fence, so I still have to be out there anyway. So they're not trained to not leave the yard. They like want to run away. They want to leave me all the time. Literally my life. Are you gonna dye your hair anytime soon? I actually have an appointment in July to go a little bit more brighter and blonder, but I'm not like bleaching it from here to here like I had it, but I'm gonna have more brighter for the summer. How is your mental health? Are you doing okay? I'm doing great recently. I'm in a happier place. I feel more relaxed. I can breathe more and I am just doing great. It's the people you keep around and what you do with your time, and it's important to take breaks and realize if your mental health is like starting to like come up and suck the life out of you, honestly. And that's what I'm learning currently in life, is to recognize that, when to recognize it, and what to do about it. I like this one. Do you still hang out with your sister? I haven't got that question for a while. I haven't seen her for a few months. She is working from home and trying to stay at home. In this virus, she doesn't like going out. Her work, she doesn't even go to work. She's stay at home with everything now. Everything's at home. She rarely leaves the house and she doesn't want to come into contact with people. I'm not going to go into like why or reasonings because that's her personal life, but no, we text, we talk all the time, but just from this like day and age right now, some people like to go out, some people like to travel, some people like to, you know, just go to the grocery store at home or work and home, school and home. Other people like to do everything, clubs still, bars, restaurants. Other people like literally are secluded and still are quarantined, and that's my sister. What's one thing that scares you for when you get older? P.S. I love your content. What scares me is Alzheimer's scares me. My parents getting Alzheimer's scares me, them like forgetting things or maybe not knowing who I am. My family passing away, my brother, I'm always like scared of my brother getting like hurt. I don't know why, like in relationships. I don't know, like getting like beat up or something like that. I don't know why, like he's like the sweetest kid I know, like ever. But like for some reason, like I'm scared of like, you know, like violence, or like because he's so sweet, like him being taken advantage of, I guess is what I'm trying to say, or like getting robbed or something. Like I'm just scared of that. I don't know why I'm scared of that. Like he can handle himself, but I just like, it just scares me. Or like my dad getting like robbed, or you know, like this world sucks, so anything can happen. How do you handle all the hate from TikTok posts? Seems much more worse than YouTube comments. Yeah, TikTok, because I think it reaches a bigger audience, and I am doing like dances and stuff like that, and people that are subscribed to YouTube are more like they follow me and they want to see videos of like me and they know who I am. That's why they subscribe and watch. But I think TikTok just reaches, why does it always go so blurry? I hate that. Such a large audience that like random people just come in and they see me like dancing, so they'll comment things. I just don't like when people literally lie. Will come in and like say complete lies that aren't true. That's like not okay. Or when they're like straight up bullying other people. Unnecessary. I've had so many times people just come and just say like the most craziest things, and I'm like, that never even happened. Like what is happening? So things like that are kind of just like, why would people do that? But I understand that it's social media and you're gonna get that, and I think that's just what I always have to remember is like, it's social media, it's what's gonna happen, but I don't also have to have fake lies said about me just because I'm an influencer, you know? And the very last one is, what is your least favorite fashion trend? I don't know, I don't like those like big sun hats, or like hats you wear to watch like horse races and stuff like that. I think they're so ugly. Like those big like straw hats people wear at like the beach and stuff like that. They're so hideous. But I don't know if that's really like a fashion trend. That's like a fashion item, a fashion trend. I think maybe Crocs. I don't know. I feel like everyone loves them and they're so trendy right now, and I'm still like, why? That was about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this Q&A, and I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys. Hope you have a good day.